Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm doing my mid-monthly challenge reminder for the month of July 2023 with the theme of being sweet treats. I want to thank everyone that has entered the challenge so far. I will be sure to link all of those channels down below so you can check them out and get some great inspiration for this month's theme. Real quick, I'm going to go through the challenge rules and then I will show my second project that I have created this month. Each month I'll be posting a theme and show a project I made using the theme as well as my new release of dewdrops. This month's theme for July 2023 is sweet treats. To enter, please post a VR showing your project using the theme of the month, tag me at DoubleClickConnect, and use the hashtag DoubleClickConnectChallenge. Please leave a comment and be a subscriber. We also have a guest designer this month, Laura at Laura's Plans and Crafts. She is a guest designer this month. Her channel will also be linked down below. Please be sure to go and visit her channel and check out what she made for this month's challenge. Laura, thank you so much for being a guest designer this month. I appreciate it so much. This challenge is open all month long until the next challenge. You can enter as often as you would like. The prize will be a bag of dewdrops, and I will draw a winner each month. For this month, July 2023, if you enter, you have a chance to win these dewdrops for this month's prize. This is not sponsored. You must be 18 years or older. The prize is for US only, but anyone can enter. If you do not post on YouTube, you can follow and tag me on Instagram. This is a great way to use your stash and meet new crafty friends and get some great inspiration by searching the hashtag DoubleClickConnectChallenge. Let's go ahead and get into this month's dewdrop release as well as a project that I created. This is this month's release. I love these summer colors. They are so fun to work with. We have these mint, these purples, this watermelon, and this teal. They are so summer fun and they have been really great to work with for summer projects. Here is my project. I had so much fun creating this project. Let me show you the products that I used to create this card. The ice cream cone I cut from this Doodle Charms Cricut cartridge, and that's the ice cream cone right here. I added some sprinkles from my stash, as well as the light purple or plum color dewdrops. I handmade this bow with some ribbon that I've had in my stash, and I've been trying to incorporate ribbon on most of my project because I have a huge stash of it. So I have this ribbon that I've used. For extra texture here under the sentiment, I did add some of this fluff that was like Easter basket filling. The Sweet Birthday Wishes sentiment came from my Craft Spot Birthday Wishes. I did add some stickles for some extra sparkle along the card. The background papers, I pulled this older K & Company Brenda Walton paper stack. That is my entry for my July 2023 Sweet Treats Challenge. I'm looking forward to seeing more entries this month. I thank you guys so much for all of your support and everyone that has been purchasing my dewdrops. I hope you have a lot of fun with this month's summer fun release. Thank you guys so much for stopping by my craft room and have a great day. Bye guys!